Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The key components of the kits are a specially treated cotton canvas and all-natural, non-toxic paint. Covering all bases, the kits also includes a painter's drop cloth to protect surfaces from paint splatters, disposable slippers to make a clean walk from the canvas to the shower, and even body wash and a body scrubber.
Let's help you make your mark.
Water-based body paint. A vast range of skin-safe water-based body paints are available for all sorts of different applications. Modern water-based face and body paints are made according to stringent guidelines. This means they are non-toxic, usually non-allergenic, and can easily be washed away.
Take our lead.
Can I use acrylic paint on my body? Many of the paints have toxic ingredients in it. Overall, acrylic paint is not meant to be used on your skin. Even if the bottle is labeled non-toxic, it doesn't mean it's necessarily safe to smear all over your body. 17 November 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.